made for cleaning headlights. The reason why I have the bottom closed is because I don't really want to reveal it yet until I have a sufficient amount of subscribers. Now, when I get 500 subscribers on my channel, I'll reveal what it is. I don't have 500 subscribers on my channel, so I'm going to just reveal it right now. And it's made by Turtle Wax, and it's called the Label and Sticker Remover. I will put the link in the description. It's exactly the way I described it in my video. You're going to simply spray it on the light lens. Do not wait for it to dry, and with a microfiber towel, wipe it right off, and the yellow comes off instantly. So I hope this helps a lot of you guys out there cleaning your headlights. I decided to reveal it. There's no point. And I'm here really for you guys. And anyway, I wish you a great day. Hope it works out for you.